In this video, I will introduce you 3 sites where you can earn money online in 2023 by watching the video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Has given out over $3 million in award over 20 years. While it's like many of the other sites that pay you to watch videos, it offers more payment options. You can collect payments via checks, direct deposit, or PayPal. You'll get a $5 bonus just for joining Fashion Cash. The site has an online platform that can answer all of your questions about making money through it. If you become an active contributor, you can earn an extra $3 every month. Registration on this site is completely free and you can easily fill this form and then you can start working on this site. Creation rewards. You can visit the video area of the visit where you'll see a list of videos you can watch to earn points. You'll need to watch the video in its entirety to earn the points, but you won't know the points value until you finish watching it. You can repeat this as often as you want, as there's no limit to how many points you can earn in a day. Other ways to earn points include redeeming the daily bonus, taking surveys, and trying products and services. You can also refer friends and family and earn 10% of their earning. There's even a shopping portal where you can earn cashback and rebates where you shop online at a store like Watermark and online learning platforms like Udemy. You can redeem your points for gift cards and you must earn at least 100 points every 6 months for your account to remain active. Earnably is another site that lets you earn money by watching videos. Through its partner site, video.TV, you must watch both videos and a set number of ads in order to earn credit you can redeem for cash or gift cards. It claims the ads can be easily posted as they look just like regular TV commercials. In order to cash out your rewards, you need to make sure your video.TV and Earnably accounts are linked, which should happen automatically once you've registered for both sites. However, you will need to manually transfer your points from video.TV to Earnably. You can earn extra points by referring friends and family to the sites using your unique referral link. If they sign up, you'll get 10% of everything they earn by completing offers. Your extra earnings never expire and you can make even more from promo codes and other bonus Earnably offers. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.